friends, today I am going to demonstrate how to build a wind turbine. Wind turbine which works at the wind blowing on your building. You can also build it. To build the wind turbine, we need a drill gun, a plier, 32 mm pipe, maybe 2 feet long, and a T-joint which is corresponding to that, and a bicycle hub. This is very important. This is the main bearing for the wind turbine. 3 stainless steel balls or maybe aluminum also, 3 long bolts, 6 nuts, 2 plastic or polycarbonate sheets, washers, wire and adhesive. In addition to that, your enthusiasm to build the wind turbine. This is the threaded rod. Mark 12 inches for the bolts. 3 bolts we can get them cut. Take a slightly thicker paper. Using the compass, draw a circle of any diameter. Using the same diameter, mark on the circumference 6 points. Choose the alternate 3 points. Join the center of the circle to these 3 points. These lines, you transfer them onto the polycarbonate sheet. Draw 3 parallel lines to these 3 points which are joining the center and the circumference. The space between 2 parallel lines should be equal to the diameter or the size of the bolt. Mark 4 points for each one of these, 2 on either side, for inserting the wire to tighten on the bolts. Transfer the points which are on this line, 2 on each one of this line, onto the polycarbonate sheet. Drill small hole so that the wire can pass through that. Both the polycarbonate sheet should have similar corresponding holes to tighten the bolt in between them to form the arm of the wind turbine. Take the steel bolts, mark diagonally opposite 2 points. Inside you have to make an indent and drill 2 holes. On the line, drill 2 holes, beside them another 2 holes so that the wire can pass through. The U-bend wire which can pass through that. Now there is one polycarbonate sheet below, the other polycarbonate sheet above. In between you have to place 3 bolts exactly 120 degrees apart, and these U-bend wires can pass through from the bottom to the top of this polycarbonate sheets, and they are twisted tightly so that the bolts are intact in their position at 120 degrees. 3 bolts are exactly in 120 degrees in between 2 polycarbonate sheets, and the wires are tightened, and then the extra wire is cut off. Then apply glue in between so that it will not move in future. So now it is hard. On each one of these bolts, from one end, place this bowl diagonally. On the other side, mark with a pen. Similarly, for all the 3 bolts, you mark the points. Turn one nut on each bolt till the mark. Insert the bolt to one side of the hole on the bowl. Then turn 2 more nuts to the middle of the bolt. Now insert the bolt into the other side hole so that the bolt comes out. Turn the nut to the end of the bolt and see that it is not too much inside. It is just sufficient to be full in thread to the nut. All the 3 bolts are on the bolts exactly at 120 degrees, and they are fixed through these 4 nuts, one outside, one inside on the inside of the bowl, other one outside and other inside the outside of the bowl. And bowl is exactly at 90 degrees to the vertical axis. And now these two polycarbonate sheets have a hole where the hub shaft can fit into that. Wind turbine blades are ready now. These three bolts are fixed on these bolts, and the center we have a piece of this polycarbonate sheet, and there's a hole here. Now this cycle hub which we have taken is fixed onto this T or a collar for PVC collar, and it goes inside here. Now take a washer, put it onto the central shaft, insert the turbine assembly, insert one more washer. Now tighten the nut. Wind turbine is fully assembled now. It is functional. As the wind blows, these valves will push and then it turns. This can be fixed onto a wall or a support at the highest point on your roof on your building.